Hey everyone, today I wanted to do a good old-fashioned what's in my bag. I have two new bags that I wanted to share with you. I have the Songmont Drippy Roof bag in this beautiful burgundy color. If you follow me on my Instagram and here on YouTube and also maybe on TikTok, I've already shown a little bit of a kind of a sneak peek of what's in my Songmont Drippy Roof bag. I've had a few people ask me what are my thoughts on Songmont, and thoughts are that the bags are gorgeous. I've been dying to get my hands on them, and so I was so excited that they reached out to partner with me on this video, and I immediately picked out the Drippy Roof bag because I just love this design. This has been my daily carry bag since I got it. And then I also have this beautiful slouchy squishy suede bag, is the Drippy tote bag in the large size. They have a few different styles, different sizes, different designs in the Drippy family, but they all have my favorite key feature, this designated cell phone pocket on the side. I love the design of this slouchy hobo style bag. I have 3 kids. I'm just constantly on the go. I need to stay organized. And so I have some tips and tricks that I've used in all of my bags, and especially these larger tote bags that I use to stay organized, especially when I'm traveling. This size tote bag is perfect for work. This larger size fits a 16-inch laptop, and then the smaller size fits a 13-inch laptop. So I will show you how I pack this. We do have a road trip coming up, so I plan on using this as my road trip travel bag. And then this Drippy Roof bag has been my go-to everyday bag. It is the perfect size for me. I am very short, I'm 5 feet tall, but I love that I can wear this multiple ways. So I'll link these 2 styles in the description below. I would normally have an affiliate code, but they actually have a great Black Friday promo going on right now where you can save up to 20%. So if you click my link, you can save 20%. I'll also link all the organizers and everything else I use to stay organized with these bags. So here's a close-up of this. I got this in the burgundy color, but they have some great colors, especially for the spring and summer. I thought the burgundy would be perfect transitioning into the fall and through the winter, but I would love to use this color like all throughout the year. I love the size and I love the color and the design. My favorite part about this, again, is that you can carry it as a top handle bag. It also has a longer shoulder strap that you can wear as a shorter shoulder strap. It's adjustable, so I can wear it as a crossbody strap. And again, I'm very short, so it's crucial that it fits me at the exact perfect height. So I love that it can adjust. Right now, I just have a MEJ claw clip clipped onto the side. My favorite feature are that on both sides you have this slip pocket that is super convenient and fits a cell phone perfectly. Here it fits it with a case, it slides in, it's perfect, and actually if you want you can use this to hold your phone if you're trying to record something. This is called the Drippy Roof design versus the other like Drippy styles because it has a little roof. The concave design is supposed to resemble Chinese architecture, and this is such a great design because it has the little magnets that keep it closed, but then you still have this extra security with the zipper. So once you zipper this open, you have everything in here, and you guys, I have a ton of stuff in here, so I'll try to quickly go through it so I can show you the inside. If you watch any of my travel bags or any of my what's in my bag videos, I use pouches to stay organized for everything. This is the base mesh pouch. I love these mesh pouches because obviously it's see-through. You can see exactly what's inside when you're looking for stuff. Various lip products, lipsticks, lip gloss. I have a mini deodorant, scrunchie. I have some pens. I also have this mini base mesh pouch. I don't know if they still make this anymore. This was an older design, but I have this in all of my travel bags. And I love the mini size because this is where I keep my AirPods, various wired headsets, other hair ties. Also have my sunglasses in their dust bag. This is from the brand Blenders, and I believe this is called the Ricky style. It's in jet black. I love this. I have my Idol travel jewelry pouch. I also have this set of trio pouches from Lululemon, and then I have this added clippable card pouch. This is pretty much my go-to wallet. I keep my keys in here. I keep emergency perfume, hair ties, Band-Aid, like an emergency essentials kit in this medium pouch. And then this is my everyday wallet. Okay, we are getting to the bottom here. I have my LV Cherries passport cover, but I use this as a notebook cover. So I got a set of blank notebooks from Amazon, and then if I have any notes or anything that I just need to write something down, just a little blank notebook, either for myself or when I'm with my kids, I always have to find ways to occupy them, so I'll usually give them paper and a pen and they can play you know, tic-tac-toe or something. I have tissues in here. I have such dry hands, so I'm always paranoid that I'm going to be without hand cream. So I always end up throwing an extra hand cream in my purse, and I end up with more than one. So I have one from the Body Shop. I have a mini hand cream from Miss Dior. And then I just got this hand cream from the Sephora sale. This is from Salt and Stone in the scent Black Rose and Oud. More toiletries. I have a mini hairspray. And then my favorite eye roller from Innisfree. Facial spray from Tatcha. And then a mini perfume from Cartier. Again, to keep my kids occupied, I have this mini Rubik's Cube that I got from Universal Studios, Japan. Snacks, I have Halloween candy. I always try to carry a Snickers around with me. Mints from Dylan's Candy Bar. And then a plumping lip gloss from Makeup by Mario. And we can see the bottom now. So to round it out, I have Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I have a scrunchie with hair clip, keychain from my Pilates teacher that says, "But did you die?" because her classes are very tough. This tripod, which actually I should keep on the other side pocket because I'm always fishing for this, but this fits perfectly on the side. So if I need to quickly film something when I'm on the go, I can just grab that. So here's the interior of the bag. I love that it's a lighter color so it doesn't become a black hole. You can definitely see everything inside. There also is a slip pocket here where I also have a pack of Peace Out Acne Day Dots. And then I always keep a plastic bag. If there's any kind of a spill or emergency, I always have a plastic bag. Okay, now that the bag is empty, you can see how much this slouches down. So if you don't have it stuffed full like I did, it could look like this. It's super comfy to wear on the crook of your arm or as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. And then here is the Drippy tote bag in this beautiful olive suede and leather. I love the texture of the suede and the leather. It's so soft and like bouncy and slouchy, and it just feels like such nice quality. You can tell with the stitches that it is done with just expert craftsmanship. I think the age of their expert craftsmen are like around the age of 65. So these guys have been around for a while. They know what they're doing. Everything is so well made, and it also is just so functional and stylish. Again, you have the top handle, just like the other Drippy bags, and then the adjustable crossbody or shoulder strap, and then my favorite side pocket. So these are a little larger than the Drippy roof bag, but it still fits cell phones perfectly. You can slip that in there on one side. I have my portable tripod that just slips on the other side so I can easily grab it when I need it. And I love the attention to detail on both bags. They have these 4 golden feet. When you receive the bag, which first of all, when you receive the bag, you get a beautiful gift box. That's one of the gift boxes back there. And then all the bags are wrapped with this really pretty dust bag. It's like a linen material or something. Really nice to use, especially if you're traveling, and then for storage. Even the gold feet on the bottom. The feet individually say Songmont on them, which I think is such a nice touch. This does close at the center with magnets, and then when you open it up, it has the same beautiful green olive suede interior. You have one slip pocket on one side, and then the rest of the bag is just one big open tote bag on the inside with the base, which usually might be a little scary for some people who like to stay organized. But like I said, I have my trick. I use one large bag organizer. This is from the brand Bag & Sense. I think at this point I have a bag organizer for every single one of my bags from Bag & Sense, and it's perfect just to organize a large tote bag like the Songmont Drippy tote. So this is everything that I have packed so far for our upcoming road trip, and it fits perfectly inside the bag. It doesn't lose the slouchiness. I can still wear it as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody tote, and I can fit all of this stuff while staying organized and keeping my sanity. I do have a promo code also with Bag & Sense, so I'll link that below in the description, but this is everything that I have inside to stay organized. So I have this water bottle from Love Shack Fancy and Stanley. This bag organizer also has pockets, but as you can see, I just love using pouches. I just feel like pouches are so easy to keep all of your stuff in its intended home. You can organize by different categories. So for here, I have this toiletry pouch from the brand Nomad Lane. This is where I keep, this is actually is intended for a flight. So the Nomad Lane bento bag, it's their carry-on bag. They come with this toiletry bag. And then if you have to go through TSA and you have to show your liquids, you can keep all the liquids in this TSA compliant see-through bag. So I just have a bunch of various under 1 ounce toiletries in here. So this kind of just travels with me from bag to bag. In one of the side pockets, I have my favorite travel accessory. This is a travel portable charger, but it has multiple ports. And then my favorite part is it has a plug that is built directly into the charger, so you don't need extra cords to charge this. At this point, every single person in my family has this. This is such a great gift also for the holidays. And then on the bottom here, you have a button that tells you that it is 100%. Other pouches with a specific use. I have this new bag charm from the brand Maison de Sabre. This is the lipstick pouch charm. It is meant to just hold a singular lipstick, but I love that this has a mirror and then it has its own little keychain so that you're not fishing around looking for your lipstick. This pouch is from Elemis. It's one of my favorite skincare brands. They actually have a few different sets at QVC. I believe this one was called the Elemis Ultimate Face and Body Discovery Set. It came in this little dust pouch. And then they had another set. It was like the supercharged collagen something. And it has my favorite cuffs, because the worst feeling in the world is when you're washing your face at night and the water from when you're washing your face runs down your elbows. I just hate that feeling. So I always have to make sure I pack a set of elastic cuffs. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash, Pro Collagen Body Cream, and the Skin Nourishing Milk Bath. That all stays in my Elemis pouch. I also have to bring sleep gummies. This is from Lemme. I love their Lemme women's like multivitamins and hair, skin, nail gummies. I always have trouble sleeping when I'm traveling. And then the final pouch is another like mix of makeup and skincare. This is from Tatcha. They actually have a great promo also going on for Black Friday, where if you spend, I believe, $350 or more, you get this entire train case, which I had to get. This also comes with some additional skincare miniature freebies. But this travel set is perfect because you can choose your own products. So they have a variety of travel size skincare. I always go for the dewy skin. And then you get this travel like satin makeup pouch. I have the Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer, the Tatcha Dewy Serum, and then I had this in my other bag, the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And then I just have like my go-to makeup in here. This is from Makeup Forever. It's a mix of all these shades. This is the HD Skin Blush and Glow palette from Makeup Forever. It's a bunch of cream products. You can use this as concealer, blush, highlighter. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette right now. This is the Van Gogh Color Stories eyeshadow palette. I got this in the shade New Neutral from the Sephora sale recently. These are the colors, and I'm actually wearing this on my eyes right now. These are such pretty cool toned neutrals, and you can use this all over your face really, because I also use this as highlighter. I have, I think, every single shade on my face right now. I like that you can use this all over your eyes. You can use it as highlighter. I use this as eyeliner. You can really use this as contour also, depending on your complexion. But this is such a great eyeshadow palette. This is my first product from Van Gogh Beauty, and I am keeping an eye out for the next Sephora sale. And then just more random like skincare essentials. I have eye patches from Summer Fridays and Rhode. I have this new Lip Oasis lip balm from The Outset, lip gloss from Say. And then this is the underpainting palette from MPH. This is meant to contour and shape your face before your makeup. A mini Huda Beauty setting powder, and then a roller travel perfume from Skylar. And then that all fits in this bag organizer from Bag & Sense. And everything in here fits in the Drippy tote bag from Songmont. Okay, guys, and that is everything that I carry in my everyday bag and my travel tote bag. The Drippy roof bag in burgundy, and then of course the same family Drippy tote bag in this beautiful olive. But let me know what you guys carry in your bag every day. I love watching these what's in my bag videos. I feel like they're so therapeutic and old school. So let me know what are your everyday bag and travel bag essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed this what's in my bag video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.